Welcome to our GPU Showdown. Today, we're comparing two exciting graphics cards. The MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4060 with 8GB of GDDR6 memory, and the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5060 Ti, boasting an impressive 16GB of GDDR7 memory. We'll explore their architecture, performance capabilities, and pricing to see which card stands out in today's gaming landscape. The MSI RTX 4060 is built on NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture, which focuses on efficiency and performance for 108OP gaming. In contrast, the ASUS RTX 5060 Ti utilizes the next-generation Blackwell architecture, promising enhanced performance and advanced AI capabilities. This architectural leap signifies a substantial increase in core count and efficiency, making the 5060 Ti a compelling choice for gamers seeking future-proofing. When it comes to memory, the MSI RTX 4060 features 8GB of GDDR6, which is adequate for most 108OP gaming scenarios. However, the ASUS RTX 5060 Ti doubles that with 16GB of GDDR7, offering significantly better performance in high-resolution gaming and demanding applications. This increase in VRAM ensures that the 5060 Ti can handle more complex textures and higher resolutions without compromising performance. Pricing is always a crucial factor in choosing a GPU. The MSI RTX 4060 is priced at $334, making it an excellent value for budget-conscious gamers. On the other hand, the ASUS RTX 5060 Ti comes in at $479, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. While the 5060 Ti offers superior performance, the price difference may be a deciding factor for many consumers. In conclusion, both the MSI RTX 4060 and ASUS RTX 5060 Ti have their strengths and weaknesses. The 4060 offers great value for 108OP gaming, while the 5060 Ti is a powerhouse for those looking for high-resolution performance. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.